Hey guys, so I'm back with one more part of wear and tear part from my car. So this is the GTI auxiliary electric coolant pump, or you call it auxiliary water pump. It actually helps to circulate your coolant. So this pump actually is located lower front section of the engine in front of the oil pan. So I don't get any symptom when it breaks down, but I think there's a fault code mentioning that this is already faulty. So this is how it looks like. Very small unit, and it's driven by electric. So commonly, why does it fail? I guess this is very much is wear and tear, is age. So my car is actually 12 years old now. First time changing it. So it's wear and tear part, and most likely if you have a low coolant, or if you have never changed your coolant before, it might also affect this pump to fail as well. So there are a few symptoms, but mine is just showing me that it's not working and we have to change it to avoid any breakdown or any overheating of the car. So this is to show you that there is an additional water pump that is inside the Golf GTI. Just go back to your service center to get it replaced if you notice that it's breakdown.